Friday night, about 11:40, Angeles City, Philippines, right across from the hygiene clinic. This place is still for rent if you want to check it out. Right near the Frenzo's restaurant. And pretty much nothing to really do tonight. It's been raining all day. It's a little bit, it's drizzling a little bit right now. And yeah, just heading towards the McDonald's. To get something to eat, and then we're gonna might do a live stream at the rain stopped. I'm here at McDonald's, and even though it's kind of not that great weather out today, it's still Friday, and we're gonna see what's going on the walking street. Yeah, I was gonna do a live stream at the Phillies bar, but it was completely dead. So there's really no point. That cafe next to Megadance was pretty busy. Might catch some foot traffic over there, but even there wasn't really too much going on. I was thinking maybe Megadance would be possibly busy tonight since it's Friday, but I'm not sure, and it's not really great to do a live stream in there anyway. So there's really not much to do tonight. It started raining again, so yeah, there's really not much to do. So maybe head to the McDonald's and get something to eat, maybe right now. So I was thinking about doing a live at the Phillies bar, but there was nothing going on in front of it, and I'm thinking about going to the shawarma spot right now. Looks like they put a new a new thing on there, so let's see if it's ready. Just passed by a subscriber just a few minutes ago, and he said that that I put him onto the shawarma spot, so it kind of reminded me of it, and so I just decided to come today and get the shawarma. Here it is, 99 pesos, beef shawarma. Here's the vegetable guy across from the McDonald's, and he has the freshest, best looking produce around. I think I might get some sweet potatoes. I usually get the sweet potatoes, bananas. Also, this stuff is very healthy, leafy greens. This stuff right here, call it kangkong, I believe. It's like a water spinach. And that's usually my favorite stuff. I only get like one bunch of that leafy greens, and I mostly like the stuff that lasts a long time. Also like but he has everything here, and it all looks pretty good. Most likely from the wet market, most likely from the Pong Pong market. But he has papaya. He has those bunches of green beans, and yeah, it's pretty good stuff.